So we were discussing basically the carousel ad, how we can create the carousel ads. So for traffic campaign, all settings will be same that we already discussed. But now at the ads level, from here, when we will be creating the campaigns, then here is option under the single image or video, the carousel option is there. So with this option, we can create basically the swipeable cards there. So again, so this is a carousel and a minimum for carousel ad, we can add minimum two cards and maximum the 10 cards we can add there. Okay, so
Okay.
after
You said you
selecting,
mostly use this if you're running like wait, when
sorry.
would you use these types of ads?
So basically
When would
these
you
type
use
of the
carousel ads?
ads, when you want to add some like storytelling or like if you want to include the multiple services. So just example, for your ad services, you are also offering Facebook ads, Google ads, LinkedIn, and you have the separate images for each of those services. So you can add these there. And for the e-commerce businesses, you can upload or add the different, basically the products with each card will have the different link for sending the people. So like different category or product pages, we can drive the people there. So after selecting the carousel one, we
Okay.
need to click on this one, this option, add card, and then it's asking for if we want image card, video ad, or cards from previous ads. So I want first of all the image ad card. So we can simply click on this option. Okay, so again, for practice, so just example, this is our first ad, and then continue. Your system speeds is low now. It's taking more time, I think.
Oh, yeah, I think the stream must be lagging.
Sorry?
I think the stream, I think it must be Zoom. It's really slow.
Yes. Okay, so for the image card, after adding the image, we need to add its headline and website URL. So these two things are necessary. Description is not necessary. So just example for the first image card, I am putting as Google Ads and then the website URL, the same website URL that you have, we can add that one. Then we need to add another card here, add image card again, and then the next image, continue. Okay, now for this card again, we need to add its headline and the website. So just example, this will be for Facebook ads, and we can run that for Facebook. So here you can see these are the swipeable posts. Like first image will be the first one, and then when we scroll that down to the left side, so the next image will appear. So similarly on Instagram, we can swipe these ones from right to left. And again, we can add minimum two images here and maximum 10 images.